We're here in Bellevue Hotel at Panglao, Bohol. So this is the 2 bed. So apat kami dyan. And they have mirror. This is my outfit. And then punta tayo sa bathroom. They have bathtub. And they have a nice mirror there. And yan, they have toothbrush, everything is there. And they have shower. And look at this, guys. So, sino ba naman na, diba? Na mayroong pinsan dito sa Bellevue Hotel. And they have welcome water. So, yan. And they have fruits. They have welcome to Bellevue Hotel. Pero naubos na. And they have coffee cup. And then they have coffee. And they have tea. They have water. So, yeah. So, of course, they have extra bed. So, family room pala to, guys. Yeah. So, let's see the view. Oh, how to open this? So, this is... Oh, we cannot see the view outside. I think is nice. So, yeah. So, this is the full room. Yan. Pamangkin ko. Yan. Ang ganda. Siyempre, mura lang, guys. Kasi nga, may pinsan dito. May pinsan. Owner ng pinsan pala ng... Siyempre, ng brother-in-law. Yung owner dito sa Bellevue Hotel. So, naka-discount tayo, guys. Within 5 days. Yan. Abangan yung aking full vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. So, yan.